In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into settings and tapping on notifications over here. Following that, select app notifications. Click on most recent and select one of those options. I will go with all apps. Following that, you need to click on one of those colorful switchers next to one of your apps to block all notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same no gray switchers. You can also just tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!